My name is William P. Clark Jr., and I'm the third generation of Wall Colmonoy. That was started by my grandfather, Albert F. Wall. Our story begins in 1937 when two California metallurgists, Mr. Cole and Mr. Edmonds, created a new nickel-based alloy containing chromium boride crystals for applications on downhole drilling for the oil industry. These chromium boride crystals were a very high hardness value as well as wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant material. The alloy would become known as Colmonoy, which is an anagram of their names. Mr. Cole and Mr. Edmonds created an alloy, Colmonoy. In 1938, Albert F. Wall, a Detroit entrepreneur, purchased the company and brought the company from California to Michigan to begin the manufacturing process of chromium boride crystals. During World War II, Wall Colmonoy alloys extended the lifespan of the arrestor hooks on carrier aircraft for the U.S. Navy. Also, the Army used applications for Colmonoy on the tank grousers, tread, and drive sprockets. Today, Colmonoy has applications in a variety of industries from glass container to steel to power generation. Well, Wall Colmonoy is also a pioneer and leading expert in high-temperature nickel-based brazing. In the early 1950s, the company employed Bob Peasley. He came to work for Wall Colmonoy. He didn't have a product and he didn't have a customer, but he saw opportunity with nickel-based alloys. Nickel-based alloys could be used as a filler metal to put in parts and then put those parts into a hydrogen furnace for brazing. And he took that information to the engine makers like Pratt & Whitney and General Electric, and they all laughed at him and said, listen, we use gold and nickel will crack. He put the alloy in, put the parts into the hydrogen furnace for braze, and they didn't crack. So his famous line was, you didn't tell the engine that. Next, Bob decided to further that technology to perform braze repair on hot section components for military jet engines. Bob put plants next to the U.S. Air Force bases in Oklahoma, San Antonio, and Dayton. In the 1970s, Oklahoma developed stainless steel heat exchangers for military aircraft. In 2018, investment was made to manufacture aluminum heat exchangers for commercial aircraft. This required 2 aluminum vacuum furnaces and fin machine to enable us to build heat exchangers. In 2006, Aerobrace Cincinnati, an aerospace components manufacturer with approvals with GE and others, was purchased to complement Wall Colmonoy's braze, heat treating, welding, machining, and coating capability. In 2014, Wall Colmonoy acquired Franklin Bronze Precision Components, an investment casting firm located in Franklin, Pennsylvania. 70 to 80% of the business was dedicated to glass mold for the manufacture of glass containers. Wall Colmonoy leadership embarked on a strategic initiative to capture more of the industrial casting market. Today, the business is 50% glass and 50% industrial, which diversifies our business. We have nearly 600 employees in the company at 5 different business units, 4 in the United States, Albuquerque, Oklahoma City, Cincinnati, and Franklin, Pennsylvania. We also have a business unit in a little country called Wales, and the Welsh are very industrious people, and we're very pleased with the Welsh workers, Welsh management, and the Welsh government.